Hello and welcome to this STid Labs tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to create a card design in the STid Mobile ID Portal. Before we begin, it's important to know that you need one of these permissions, either configuration STid Mobile ID Read Only or configuration STid Mobile ID Read Write. Now, let's get started. We'll create a design for a card called STid Academy. First, click on Card Layout and then on the Create a Design button to open the card design editor. To create a new virtual card design, we'll start by giving it a name. In our example, we'll call it STid Academy. Next, we'll select the sites that can use this design. Then, we choose one of two templates. The free format lets you start with a blank card, while the basic format includes pre-filled elements like the user's name, photo, logo, and private ID. For this tutorial, we'll use the free format template to explore all the possibilities. You can either create your design directly in the platform or import a pre-made design. If you're importing, upload it from Settings under Background Image, and make sure the image size is 500 by 300 pixels. For this video, we'll create the STid Academy card design together. Let's start by choosing a black background. Then, we'll add our logo. After uploading, the logo might take up the whole card. No worries, the editor allows us to resize it. Simply select the logo, and on your keyboard, press Shift and Alt at the same time to resize it proportionally without distortion. Let's place it in the top left corner. Next, we'll add the user's full name. Since our background is black, we'll use a light text color, like white. We'll choose the Poppins font and set it to bold. You can also adjust the text size and alignment. For this design, we'll keep the text left aligned to leave space for the user photo on the right. Now, let's add the user's photo. We'll place it on the right and resize it as needed. When a virtual card is created later, the photo will be filled in automatically with the user's chosen image. We'll also add the user's private ID and the remote button. If the remote button overlaps with the logo or photo, we can adjust its position. The editor provides 4 position options for the remote button. In this case, we'll choose position 3, placing it at the bottom. If you're designing visitor badges, you might want to use the validity settings, but we won't cover those in this example. Let's move on to the back of the card. Here, we'll choose a pre-designed template. Finally, we click Save, and our card layout is ready to use. Now, make sure to watch the next video on our STid Labs YouTube channel, where we'll use this card layout to create a Vcard. Thank you for choosing STid, and don't forget to subscribe for more knowledge.